Yo, what is going on, guys? Drake here with UnlockBoot's official YouTube channel, and in today's video I have a tutorial for you guys for how to unlock T-Mobile iPhone XR, XS, XS Max, any of the newer iPhones. This is a very quick and easy tutorial, and using these quick few steps, your phone will be successfully unlocked with any carrier worldwide. In this specific video, I'm using a T-Mobile iPhone. The first step that you're going to need in the process is to get your IMEI number. Previously, you could get this number by just going into Dialer app and typing in *#06#. However, now you must go into your Settings app under General and then go to About, scroll down, and then you will find your IMEI number. Once you have this number, write it down, keep it somewhere safe as we will need it for the next step in the process. Next, we're going to go to UnlockBoot.com. The link will be down in the description below, but we have great service and we offer great prices. Find the phone that you're looking for, in this case the iPhone XR that's locked to T-Mobile. On the next screen, enter in the IMEI number as well as the model number of the phone. Once you enter in all of that information and complete checkout, we just wait until you receive an email from UnlockBoot.com. All you have to do to finalize the unlock process is to insert in a new SIM card from a different carrier. I will remove the T-Mobile SIM and put in a SIM card from somewhere like AT&T. With the new SIM card installed, all you have to do is connect to Wi-Fi and the unlock process is done. You can now use your phone with any GSM carrier in the world. Additionally, you can also connect the phone to iTunes, plug it in, and restore the phone, and then your phone will be unlocked, but connecting to Wi-Fi is easier. That is it for the unlock tutorial video, guys. Let us know if we did help you guys out. Leave a like if you did, and signing off, this is Drake with UnlockBoot. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.